The People's National Party's women's movement today led an island-wide protest against gender-based violence. The group says this is part of efforts to raise awareness on the issue. At municipal corporations across the island, women dressed in black in a silent protest against the recent spate of gender-based violence. At the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, a few men joined in.
I can't say that I'm happy to be here this morning because we should not be in this position where we have to be talking to my male counterpart about protecting our women. But however, I'm happy to be a part of even the few males that are here to make sure to say that let us protect our women, stop abusing them.
Black Thursday, as it's dubbed, is an initiative of the People's National Party's women movement. Organizations like the University of the West Indies Institute for Gender Studies also joined the protest.
In every parish today, the women's movement has organized that we are going to deliver letters to all our mayors and minority leaders because we want to encourage the councillors to add their voice to this call and to do what they can to make sure it happens at the local government level. Because it's going to take more than laws, it's also going to take community engagement to get this change to occur.
The leaders, they're looking at the gender through gender lens, that they're understanding the impact of what they do, whether it reinforces the kind of norms we have or it is aimed at reducing those.
The organizers say they achieved the objective of bringing awareness on the issue of gender-based violence. A 2016 United Nations Women's Health Survey revealed that more than 1 in every 4 women in Jamaica has experienced intimate partner physical and sexual violence in their lifetime. It further showed that 1 of every 4 women has experienced physical violence alone at the hands of a male partner.